In this video, we're going to talk about Kerberos and how it functions. Kerberos is a network authentication protocol, and it is designed to provide a strong encrypted authentication for client-server applications. Kerberos works on the basis of tickets to allow different nodes communicating to prove their identity over a non-secure network in a secure manner. This image shows the simple operation of Kerberos. Key Distribution Center, or KDC, is the core of Kerberos operation and what issues tickets to the machines to talk to each other. In this example, you see the client wants to talk to the server, but has to get its permission from Key Distribution Center first. These are the steps that has to be done when a client wants to access the server in a Kerberos environment. Client sends an authenticator request to KDC, or Key Distribution Center, encrypted by its password. So I'm going to refer back to the diagram that we had. That's step number 1, when client sends the request to KDC, encrypted its password. KDC knows all the passwords in the network, so it decrypts the request by client's password to confirm it is valid. After confirming the client is who they say they are, KDC issues a TGT, or ticket granting ticket, to the client, encrypted by its own key. Client stores TGT in its Kerberos tray located in the memory, normally valid for 8 hours. That is the ticket that client keeps and goes back to KDC to confirm its identity and shows that it has been authenticated before. So if you go back to diagram, step number 2 is where KDC issues the TGT, or ticket granting ticket, to the client. Client stores it and keep it. So within the next 8 hours, client doesn't have to authenticate to KDC anymore because it has the ticket. So anytime it goes back to KDC, all it needs to do just shows the ticket. Next step is when client wants to basically get access to the server. So when client needs to access to a resource like that server that we have on the picture, it sends the TGT back to KDC. So it's already authenticated. So KDC knows that the client is who they claim they are. KDC validates the ticket and then issues another client to server ticket encrypted with the destination server key. So if we look at the diagram again, step number 3 and number 4. So client sends TGT there and basically requests accessing the server. And KDC validates the ticket and send another ticket basically to client encrypted with the destination's password. The last step for the client is client sends that ticket to the destination server, and the server decrypts with its key to ensure it is valid and allows client to access. Now you know the Kerberos operation. Let's see if you answer this question. Your company has some servers in a global data center. You take your driver license there, and after some verification, they issue an ID card for you in order to fast track your entry into the facility going forward. The issued ID is similar to which Kerberos feature? KDC, TGT, or client to server ticket? If your response is TGT, you have chosen the correct answer.